maka ndị na-ekwu chọọ maka ndị na-ekwu chọọ Ogechi Njaka nọrọ na Abuja. Ogechi Njaka they don't transfer Ogechi Njaka to Abuja. So no allow social media put you into a state of hula hula. Maka ndị na-ekwu chọọ Ogechi Njaka dey Abuja na dey cool off. Yes, na me dey tell you. Maka ndị na-akọ chọọ that woman karịsịa nwanyị nwere amụ, she dey Abuja dey cool off. Yes, I'm not why I na like igbo nwanyị eziokwu. I don't know why. I'm not why we know they like to tell ourselves the truth. I'm from comment in them, a lot of people nwanyị na woman ka ha na-afụ ọzọ. So woman no dey go prison. Woman no dey go prison. Ọ bụ na mmadụ pụta na asị na Ebuka Obi na-akpọ ntu. If somebody come back na Ebuka Obi na-akpọ ntu, onye agba Christmas n'udo, kwuo nke eziokwu. Tell yourself the truth. If somebody come out now and say, your father na-akpọ ntu, will you be happy? And you know nwanyị. And not tarnish the image of somebody now say no nwanyị. Mbono US na konko eri, they insult a lot of people. Obuni bu nwunye, if obuni bu nwunye baby ọkụ, how will you feel? Obuni bu nwunye baby ọkụ. No, tell yourself the truth. Obuni bu nwunye baby ọkụ, mgbe Ogechi na-akụ eri ya, how will you feel? And obuni bu nwunye Siman Global, how will you feel? Obuni bu nwunye Ifeanyi Uba, how will you feel? Ka ngwa nwa eziokwu oga, me will tell ourselves the truth. Oh yeah, memu ana ha gazoka because ndoka bụ ndị oshi. Some ndoka bụ ndị oshi. Some ndoka na-atụ ezigbo asị. Ị na-aga church, if n'ihe adịghọma, you condemn it. You condemn it in oreba na asị, nwanyị. Ọ bụ na nwanyị pụta na asị, na Kozayo na-akpọ ntu. Na-eme video, na-eme nka. By now, Akozayo kwesịrị ime onye arrest, tinye na cell or prison. Ọ bụ na nwanyị pụta na asị na Ebuka Obi na-akpọ ntu. How will you feel? Na-ekwu ya publicly na social media, ọ bụrụkwa na ihe kwuru n'azụ mmadụ bupute na nke a bụ plain. Ị na-asị everybody na-asị ọ bụgodị na ka m gwa gị nke bụ the truth. Ọ bụgodị na oru echi bụ Monday. Abel Ogechi Njaka, at least Jepak don't try. Oh no go. The family of Ifeanyi Uba should know that Jepak have tried like a man. Aburo mu abonye Ebonyi State, aburo mu Anambra State. Ifeanyi benye ni bemu 1 naira. Understand me? Ifeanyi benye bemu 1 naira. Abu mu Ebonyi State, aburo mu Anambra State. And makwara sometimes Anambra nemu issue. Sometimes if they talk anyhow about in the Ebonyi State, muna hana dig you off more. You understand me? So Bokango why nothing but the truth. Open no matter but at that time only after sick na Fadambaka for phone the 2 daughters to come and testify against Ebuka Obi. Imagine by now that person was not gonna prison. But Fadambaka did not talk. You know reba na as now wine. After my video ezugo global onka oni ya diko niku. Onka oni ya don't know. Nekweri open on that place nobody will arrest this open on that place nobody will make a video. Imagine how dare you for your mind you know Jepak and you know Jepak and Governor Zoku may Ogechi Njaka arrest for your mind you know Jepak and Ogechi Njaka or Jepak and Governor Zoku may Ogechi Njaka arrest for your cool mind. People who arrest Ogechi Njaka no somewhere now champagne they chill with their family. Ndị nke abunde just man to ho na ese man to my brother that time cover Mezak arrest if you don't know. This one boy marone man to my brother my brother that time Mezak arrest. Only I can say man to these 2 people. Each no under be made arrest. Oh God oh. I'm not the with the reason. Anybody push Ogechi Njaka obata Nigeria. Only afro Ogechi Njaka na anya. Na me dey tell you because even if say na me I no go come Nigeria by now. Ina asị na gịnị nke a mee gwana nwoke eziokwu na since yesterday mere Ogechi Njaka arrest na ezugo global have not gone to police station to see Ogechi Njaka even ije ụwa afọ ije ụwa nke onye adịka onye na nkai even my brother na so bata Nigeria onwere ife ga-eme don't forget na nna ya have not gone to police station to see her even to give her food. Watch this video. Mbachi may arrest. She hide inside hotel, inside a toilet. You watch the kind of hotel they book a lodge, a local hotel, very intelligent, hopefully no way sense. Or lodge na very local hotel where nobody will know her. On the normal ground, we see in lodge in that place. Jepa that has contact left and right. Don't mind them more. On that way and the man, so nobody contact Jepa KG. I no go there for again. If I get contact with Jepa get, I no give her suffer in my life. They play now. Each and all gonna burn your son. Won't come back clicking in me. Each and all gonna open and contact Jepa. If you Jepa go now Jepa get contact. No be joke. Where Jepa could go come out. If you go there, you go remain there. No be joke. Jepa boya nambra mo boya boya. Ki atina I dey hype my brand. No makone ya boya. Where Jepa could go, come back. If me I go there, I go remain there. Oh God. The only thing that governor is more intelligent more than Jepak. But more contact, leave her for Jepak. Oh God. For now, some of you be pushing them at the right on. Karisa, right on. Karisa, when you were amo. And they pushing mad. That's when what you say anything concerning anything concerning saga. Momo epta ni ya kwa na agba video na akpare mad. I know they do them again. Because your fans will push you to a banner grave. Arapoke. Your fans will push you to the extent that you will cry. But me forget push Ogechi Njaka geji we pata Nigeria. What thing go make and come Nigeria? But I make video. Ozigo global. Where na agbara ego. Na agbara video na agbara ego. People now watch na amu. If I go Nigeria, you know Oleki. Okay, let me tell you one thing. Do you think that Ogechi Njaka ebo patabona semaboda na kevana akbode am Cotonou from Cotonou bata here? If not, Ogechi Njaka will like macha kwe so bata Nigeria. On run airport, Murtala Mohammed airport, my Abuja, say picture. Me go do video, you know, post on our Facebook now. I am now back in Nigeria. But in a low key. From Cotonou bata here. Okada Bufoya from Cotonou bata Lagos. From Lagos, Omuvo. You understand me? Anybody that advise Ogechi Njaka to come back to Nigeria, only have Ogechi Njaka nanya. Let me tell you, each and every son, be a Mary Ogechi Njaka arrest. For your mind, it's in a Jepak and the Governor Zokumere. Ogechi Njaka arrest. Obitase man, and I saw now anything saga don't stop am. Anything like all this, you come and say, oh yeah, this one make it. No, now, if I want to make a video, if I want to analyze video, and you want to make video, analyze. I no go insult anybody. I no go insult anybody. Nothing concern me. I have to live a new life because Facebook go push you. Facebook fans, I get push you. Ogechi Njaka now. No somewhere cool off now. No somewhere no cool off now. As you go global, we get this today now. Naba no we go not wine naba today or tapa wine. Get that going abo bijo wan ka ishi eburibi ishi de kishi bom na bo fa no eko na ekire ni so na emona oni ya de ko yin anka kai. There is somewhere they may enjoy. Now on somewhere Ogechi Njaka no somewhere cool off. With their contact, with all the bragging, Hana bragging. Always yesterday, I'm with Ogechi. Hey, to call. Epic Ogechi before 2 o'clock afternoon yesterday. They're supposed to throw call Ogechi would have no sleep there. With their contact. Once they pick you, a throw call I know nobody's above arrest. Obitase man. Don't mind them, my dear. Mother put online about Jacka. Under why here Obitase now why this Jepak and Governor Zogu. Nothing just they mount to them. Company on that be Meronia arrest. Oh, people that arrest Ogechi Njaka, but people that their money long, their connection long. Their connection long from here to USA. You understand? Yes, my brother. Saga me no map that's online now, I can't defame anybody anymore. What if you put online and defame mad? No. I want to go down one. If I want to do saga, make saga in a very respectful manner. in a way that it will not cause me problem, in a way that no go to problem. I'm a good problem can be a bad problem. They don't leave them. They don't leave them. As you go global, make him go there now. As a big boy, make him go there. Make him go there. As you go global, to have a video on them, and as someone on that place, nobody will make a video. Imagine. And since yesterday, you have not even go on a them. If they arrest my friend, now we'll go to police station. What happened? I will go to my I will buy food for my friend. I will go there. Get to that place and put not on the police station. Maybe they say I don't go. After come here, they call the necos. Gather, you gather. I'm going to go there. She get joy. Go that place. They will pick you too and join. In order to share go. Come back to Nigeria. Come back to Nigeria. When you buamu, carry. Don't forget Nani now. Make him go there now. The Onyenka Ogechi Njaka is back. Oh, now yesterday in Bamwari, admin here we post. The admin post. They are taking me to a day inside bus. They go to 13. Now go Mogezoku. Oburno Onyozoka Ogechi Njaka. Onyozo Puri Ogechi Njaka Kurmaka. Fadambaka. Now Fadambaka could afford the Tidos to testify against Ebukobi. Will you be happy if another person say that the same thing to Ebukobi? If a man I am Ronya, one working with the truth tonight, no Mona. Can I go on the truth? Open no yours on our Kuri, no yours up now. Okay, look at last year. When we are playing and joking and smiling and doing this, like a family, one of their member. I put on my voice note outside. I said, Boya, menka. I did not come online and say it. Online, not just now WhatsApp group where we are playing. We play, you remain there. Somebody book it aside. Or put on a more baby shop, put on a mount a camera. Yes, I want to do this. I want to say this. Ebukobi Meronka, Jepak Menka. I did not. Group. Somebody map it aside. They grab it. They write a petition against me. You understand me? They write a petition to come and pick me. No grace of God. It was the grace of God that saved me and some people. In the take governor to woman. No, here governor Zokucho IPOP. I brought that no mistake. When somebody is in a hurry to talk, he made mistake. Abroad that thing. Abroad governor Zoku State. Bonny State. You understand? Solomon, good morning. But abroad that thing, no mistake. And I believe that governor Zoku to address the issue. You understand? Yes, now they tell you now. For your mind, each and all Governor Zogu with Governor Zogu and Jepak Ogechi Njaka arrest. Omoroye Mary arrest. Which I did not mention anybody, no Mary arrest. Did you hear me mention anybody Mary arrest? You understand? Yes, in our official sources page. Yes, now. You understand me? So now they tell yourself the truth. Anybody can be arrested. He can arrest me. Yesterday, I said, na arrange. You have a prank. You have no prank. So I me prank. Jepak and the governor Zoga maybe prank with Okeke Njaka. After, if I don't have papa, some ebon lost son. That's in Akbuntu. Ebon lost son. That's in Akbuntu. Ebon lost breaching cream. Nemaya niru. Omori ka breaching cream na nom. Look at me, Nemaya. Very handsome, sexy looking guy like me. Do I look like somebody that take breaching cream? Look at me. Do I look like a breaching cream robber? In a chama, somebody like me. In a some guinea. You understand? So don't allow social media deceive you. Ride on, ride on, ride on, ride on. Happy New Year, my dear. Ride on, ride on. As you bear on your son, Mona Chisomama with Chisomama TV with the Onobodo as a day petition. Abiamurai na him kwano gene. What thing we do, we not do anything no. What thing we do, what be any Onobodo defame Ebuko be that year, last year, in all day. You understand me? But then they petition to come and run your bodo. You know, when they went for Abuja, for lawyer Okeke Njaka, the lawyer was there with Abuja. Now plan how to come and arrest me. And on your bodo with Chisomama TV. They find me. What do we do? Make a show or something. Amara Muwai. Nanya Niana. Obu no nyozo kuri ogechi passing no wine. Nanya here. Nanya. On a hide. Nanya. Neighbor Oga hide there. Nanya. Oga hide in a hotel. Obu no muwa na came with arrest. Ogechi Njaka ka tagije mukaji abata. If they arrest me now, Ogechi Njaka go tam ka ji abat. Oge need my allegation if memebe. Oburu mo na no mo wan am mo na no mo wan na bo no be one na I have 2 wives at home here. Unde chanyo oburu akpobe mtunike. Obu de mere arrest na. Obu de mere arrest. Ogechi Njaka ka tagide m ka ji abacha. Thing go use me. Oga see yes na ndezuori na. Mind you, Ogechi Njaka also said that now. Governor Ezeoku na-ere egbe. So you prove nebe Governor Ezeoku na-ere egbe. That is a convict on our supply arms to Ndori. You understand? I am not happy. I am not happy name arrest. But when you don't have name arrest because you can not do all the too much. If you are the wife of Baby Okuna, you will not trust Baby Oke again. The problem open go forbid open and ego no do mo gbenye kana atafu all those things. That marriage will not balance again. Tell yourself the truth. Open na ndia Siman Global Baby Oku and Ifeanyi Bana nandia bona on the ego. Their marriage will scatter oburu maka again because of what? Because of iye mmadụ na-ekwu n'ọnụ nwanyị gị na asị nwanyị nwanyị is nwanyị no all because of na nwanyị ka eji afọ mọzụ ọ bụ na ndị a bụ ya father ya brother ya family member how far na ebe a ebe ọ na hide na toilet n'anya for ya ọ nọ na that hotel ebe ọ nọ bụ local hotel ọ ga hide that place with somebody, with one young boy. I know we'll talk that one for now. That one will be another story. With somebody, when you see US way but in Nigeria here. But somebody, somebody not only hotel room according to the right source. Guy hide or this kind of hotel go get is we say lodge. You understand me? Now you're here. Now you're. Can play again. Oh, you may hotel room. Nena. If for that, on a hotel room, okay, watch go now. Imana mbeji park ga Imo State. O nwere 1 tree. Oga ku na that tree. Let me tell you, nature they walk. Nature. Ebonson, please stay abroad to go for Karisa. I beg leave me before I go to here. Mbeje pa ga Imo State ya kwoku na 1 tree. Ndị mmadụ ask can sit down. Okay, watch the bag when you see USA. Somebody that from USA bata Nigeria. Look at the kind of bag. Oji we bata. See the bags here. Just calm down and watch this video. E for akpa. Oko see this bags here, no clothes. Onwe that watch yourself. No much bags here. Just watch. When you see USA we bata Nigeria. Watch the bag. If for that, see the kind of bag. Now you go and watch again.
Come outside. Come outside. Come outside. Let's go. Come outside.
Watch him again because open no omunwa Ogechi Njaka go finish me. If na me, Ogechi Njaka go ganam ni. Open no omunwa came the rest na. Ogechi Njaka go finish me. Watch him again. Say na mu na akpontu about lost son bleaching cream. Omodi for one year me home no online. Watch the bag. Just watch the bag. Watch the bag again. They say I'm a bit, and they come. So as they pay you, they accept the truth. Open and they need Ogechi Njaka na calling online by your family member. They accept the truth. How will you feel? If you find your back happens to, see, make I tell you, I know they do eye service. If you like me. If you like, don't like me. Open if find your ban on to now, or you come that thing. Oh no, that thing. Here from the bloggers that will come out and begin to fight for you find your back. Even when this Ogechi Njaka was insulting you find your back, Abuja Ebonyi State, Abuja Anambra, or now I find your baby how. I know when you find your back bought a car to Igbo Credo. I'm a mbanga no Onitsha. You find your back bought a small car for Igbo Credo that year. But Ogechi Njaka came out and insult Ifeanyi, since Ifeanyi na akpontu. Igwe Credo could not even come out and talk because Ifeanyi will go. Make we tell ourselves the truth, oh. Make we tell ourselves. Forget this gree. If they go church and they go church, if they just they do and keep protecting a man of God. Open Ifeanyi happens to be your father. How will you feel? In that hotel room, I never want to play the video. Oh. When if they give me go ahead, do the video, so go ahead about his son. Play the video, I will play the video. She was there with one small boy. Oyina Nudi. I have the video here. She was there with one small boy. And I see again. Open again, how will you feel? Imagine somebody shot outside country, but somebody that came out from outside country, Oburo moto way bata Nigeria. Onwe do ofu motoji. Open family of Ifeanyi, how will you feel? Or run naga hide na hotel Kambe. Ka run na hotel Kambe. Sina moi. Open moi no want to me square case. Never my own petition. Us na akpontu. You prove them na akpontu. Us na nezori. Ogechi Njaka na mbonyori that I'm a thief. I can also write. I'm the video. I also write my own petition. But when them Jim me make ka na atara unwe ya for basa azimi no concern me. Okay, for now, if you now have the video, she was there with a boy. See the bed now. They say what I would defend. She was inside the room with a boy. She was inside the room with a boy. It was quite hard to say. She was inside the room with a boy. Ifeanyi humiliate Ifeanyi, a whole the Senator of Federal Republic of Nigeria. Ifeanyi help. All of them close their mouth. Boom. Including Igbo Credo. I'm a graduate. Boom. And I carried someone that bought a car for you before. He made you on. Now find this thing now. Make I show you one very ugly human being. Just change up. Oh, I be make video. What do this filter will make video? If I kill you, you understand me? If I kill you, can one know 1 year to make we tell ourselves the truth. Can or the good is it good? Is it good? All the things he said about our prominent men, is it good? Yani no kurumaka all our public figures or them ma ena asigini megin madu kwuo that thing madu wori ya na Ogechi Njaka na kwuo maka ebuka obi. You will see that two of them will ndagabani me prison asap. Yes, now them now know with 2 wives. I know they hard mouth. Now 2 wives are they married. I'm a traditional man. Kama manara shawo, kama manakpa shawo, no 2 wives. When you pass someone a shawo molo show, man from with you can never go and ask people where they call me for work. If they go there with my woman. I'm the last person that put a shawo. No more than just shawo me. So that's why I married 2 wives. Go there. If I get money, the kind of money I need, I go marry 4 wives or 6 wives. Yes. So now so it be. Oh, here take good care of them. Me tell hang off ma. And I call this thing a G go now this one me. How much can your family member? What if that person happens to be a family member? How will you feel? And I say about Nigeria. Na say gina gini me. Mbeje pa na ya.
5,000 years. I think it's the tallest tree in Angola. Yes. Almost the tallest in Imo State. When JPAC came, or we're saying not here, we prove his innocence over the allegations they get to the leveled against him.
If Eba JPAC in Ghana, some people when they hear about rubbish, nature they walk. Oh, we go buna here na this place is JPAC here with you governor. Be a push over Nigeria because no man me I no go enter Nigeria. People choice. Now so now I know the anything I show all this will show. You can never see. I know they patronize them, and I will never. You understand me? And I will never. So that is why I'm no one now, but I know they marry 1 wife, now 2 wives be now. They go now make them see me. Finish all my things in Njaka now. I will marry again or 3 or 4. If you knows or you know better. So nothing concern me and one man, 1 wife. I know they do that nonsense. And you can never see me in the Zebi in Afonabo at Pomona Lagos now. But one shower. Ndo try in the our people they do well. If we go to Lagos, I lodge in a hotel. As because need woman. You get coach of 1 girl. Imaho spirit in our worry the girl now. Imaho busi maro. You don't know when Imaro in a that girl. We go below Yawasa onye boy and arrow. You can't move free. I know they do that one. No. That is me. We don't copy this place and post. This is me. I know they hide them.
You can go that way. You want favor. You want open door. You want anything. You want to sideline Ndiru.
Mbobata, when Ogechi Njaka came back to Nigeria, why Ogechi Njaka no post for airport? He might not like Macha. She didn't match well. Karisha. Ona Macha. Why she no come back? Why she no do video? Mother Bata Nigeria they make video na airport. They make a video chapam. Mabonora na plane make video from USA to Nigeria here no video. Say be na gana about for abonanke wagata moto. Ebe muna gana about for abonanke wagata moto. Omero video na airport. You know even post picture. Nothing because she came through back door. Nature they walk keep your hands. I my JPAC may not be that kind of good person, but JPAC will be a jigboom mad. JPAC will be jigboom mad. Nature they walk. Ogechi Njaka de Abuja, they cool off. And let me tell you, Ogechi Njaka Potago, na police detention. Make I tell you. She for don't enter life. No brag. No you turn Igbo people very useless war. Do you have AIG as Igbo man? What concern us with here in it? If you know, if open it to Igbo, Yoruba, Basran. Oh, kita kande malichite no ogechi Njaka bụ onye Igbo. Aka nwanne gị nwaanyị. Man, ndị Igbo na like cause problem. Mgbe ogechi Njaka na-eme those things ọ na-ekwu eri. Na-akparị the big men we have. Ịmakwa na Ebonyi steeti na bụ anyị chito na ya say we have baby ọkụ. If anything do me na mma say baby ọkụ is my brother, I go call him. He will come and save me. Ogechi Njaka na-ata ka ji abacha. Ogechi Njaka na-ata my brother baby ọkụ. That have changed a lot of people's life. Now take a Abacha. Even be fine by none, if you get problem, you will contact it, be fine, but he will come out and defend you. He will throw call. Or now take a Abacha, he make you on a bucket again and say, I want to wine. No one I want to say, oh man, no one I want to say that a whole Senator of Federal Republic of Nigeria now going to he make you on. The husband is American soldier now. Yeah, he's an American soldier. But when she come Nigeria here, come to the soldier.
Listen to what J-Pack told me.
They folk here. Now what could you come back?
Now, listen to what J-Pack told me. J-Pack told me that Nambe Ginaya Dinamma on Abia Church, Gama Mogala Church before. But this is exactly what he told me. J-Pack told me that Mbona Abia Church again, nearly about 21 children in that your church, AGM foundation of that.
May I repeat them again? Imagine if now J-Pack told her that Odumeje nearly about 20 something people that the foundation of Odumeje Church. None of us for now. Open a madam who are on son and up that such thing. No one that na Ebuko bin Zion name do now. Do you think I will survive it? By now I would have been in zone 20 or Krikri prison off. And I say he now support the same person because of he was defending my play it again. No again, they listen.
Listen to what J-Pack told me. J-Pack told me that Nambe Ginaya Dinamma on Abia Church, Gama Mogala Church before. But this is exactly what he told me. J-Pack told me that Mbona Abia Church again, nearly about 21 children in that your church, AGM foundation of that church. Now, that everything you're doing is pure scam. No one had the Holy Spirit, no one had the anything.
They nearly 20 something people that the foundation of Odumeje Church. Okay, if Odumeje want to pick right petition or not, okay, prove who we are J-Pack what that thing. The voice note, and the video, and they call. He cannot support she's doing well. She's doing well. Well, listen to this video. Man, play the video one after the other. Just listen to this video. I'm going to play the video one after the other. Open no yozo kuriya maka Ebuka Obi. Wa mezoku bai na kebonya aga no. Ordinary that na we na egwu na WhatsApp group. Ofonye buputie ke we make damage control. Mbeda man put with padlock, Jonathan the padlock guy. A warrior will cover that one, get we make damage control. I said about his son is trying to blackmail Ebuka Obi. No merenka. Imagine, I never posted anything on Facebook. I did not post it. That's why somebody can have a WhatsApp group. Buputie. Where we are playing and Gumune as brothers and sisters. Now here, go to again. Listen. Just Genti. Oh, you could. You know, some Ogapota is very nice. You prove it now. Genti.
Now, listen to what J-Pack told me. J-Pack told me that Nambe Ginaya Dinamma on Abia Church, Gama Mogala Church before. But this is exactly what he told me. J-Pack told me that Mbona Abia Church again, nearly about 21 children in that your church, Ejime foundation of that church. Now, that everything you're doing is pure scam. No one had the Holy Spirit, no one had to get anything. Now, anyway, maybe in a dinner with the spirits. Nina Gan, Mam Cross River, Elirigi life, 3 days, kids in another place. No way back, okay, I got not TKG. Now, the man, Mommy Ocean, I can't remember the name, but Ocean, the man, Anna House, multiply, no, Nine Calabar, inside Cross River, Calabar.
If for that, make a play another one. Open your pastor, Open Odumeje is a man of God. How will you feel? Open Odumeje na bo akozai bo Zion bo Ebukobi. By now, onya kwetigi no na kri. Tell yourself the truth, but Odumeje no even react. You see maturity. Upon how Odumeje they do ya, but you know react. But when somebody come out on social media, say this thing now, say this in abandon Zion. Let's tell ourselves the truth. I mean, as we hate our own, we hate our own, we hate our own. We don't like ourselves. Come on, 1 year old, is it good? Make a check another one. Come check Kwazo.
Jepak, you also told me that a bullion hat on that time not fake.
Oh my God!
Napoko just would that thing to promote himself.
Look at check again. Let's come on.
As you can see,
Begin to apologize so soon. Wahala you never imagined will visit.
No.
I said no to it. I will never apologize.
Naya. Oh yeah.
Begin to apologize so soon. Wahala you never imagined will visit.
I said no to it. I will never apologize to you. Never like apology. Why would you even go and listen to video? How many years? Tell me about the medicine address. Video JMO, what's his name? A Bonnie song. Uncle Pray and go together and make it. How many months ago?
Cambia. Can play. Don't worry. I get her time. Oh no, Shanam ni. He go collect. Don't worry. Don't worry. I go play everything. Don't worry.
We are being used.
Imanam backup.
Naya.
About 4 DBS.
Cambia.
To come out.
Don't worry. I go play am now. No Genti.
Imanam backup about 4 DBS
Okay.
to come out and testify.
Okay.
Is here. The information is here, the recording is here. And when another woman got cancer through prayer and this what they call it this oil, they had to communicate with this woman. The woman she conscience I have any day they have given me the approval, I will blow the trumpet on this social media. Mbaka put 4 DBS, or the 5, if I'm not mistaken, I will get it correct. Now I'm going to testify, and here you see them coming out very soon.
Ma pulam isiam. Obu no yozo puta such thing now. Na Mbaka na Ebukobi kworo 4 native doctors ugwo to come and testify against so person. By now ekwesigi money arrest. I have all the videos. I save it for future use. Obu no yozo kwuru such thing now about Zion. Say the truth. Kwezoku abudo menye church. I know they go church. But obu no yozo, don't worry, listen to the video. Now for Mbaka for 4 native doctors and some of you are now supporting akwa wine, akwa onyi Igbo, akwa wine, akwa onyi Igbo, akwa wine. But some of you, Egwuregwu na WhatsApp group. Some of you, one of their member bundles are on put aside to do a control damage. So Boya kill me. Akozano na ba na ye memonka. I no go aga Abuja menka. No God be solve. Now one man and he save me. One man. Even though by now for them for prison. Name is show now. Now just one man save me. One man in Abuja Bonyi State. Now him be that man and he save me. If not, and for them Abuja they do hell like this. For something we buying or somewhere. They don't they go my petition, they everything. No I could dissolve a where up. I know come for social media, when it's you know, not just we are playing some of them put it aside. But on your kind of social media, pop and plane. Make a show, make he go hear me from me, she go collect. I go onoju, hot na buntu. She go collect. She go collect. All her videos, I saved everything, every day man about life. She go collect me. She go collect that. She insulted me. She go collect. Don't worry. She go meet the jailer now. Make a plan again.
About 4 DBS Ugo.
Don't worry.
Come out and test. Imanam backup Kuro about 4 DBS Ugo to come out and testify. The chat is here. The information is here. The recording is here. And when another woman got cancer through prayer and this what they call it this oil, they had to communicate with this woman. I have any day they have given me the approval, I will blow the trumpet on this social media. Mbaka put 4 DBS or the 5, if I'm not mistaken, I will get it correct. Now I testify and here Bugana be no worry. You will see them coming out very soon. But I just some updates ahead of everything that is going on. So because if you come across my video, try and share the video. I believe by Thursday I bring the chamber. Mbaka is nothing but a deceived. Mbaka is nothing but a manipulator. Mbaka is not.
Can play. Let make I replay that place. Mbaka is nothing but a deceive. They say Mbaka is nothing but a deceive. Open no yozo kuriya nine. They accept the truth, okay? Let me not go child of God, child of. That is why some of you are poor. I'm sorry to say this to you. This some of you use your brain. If open no yozo kuriya, put online up kuya nine. All these things Okeke Njaka kuriya na. If I come out online na kuya makebukobi, I will never see this guy again. Put online now, man to a camera, kuya ni the post woya apart Ebukobi. I can never come out alive again because I will bring the evidence. But Onyenka Guru Makambaka on scot free. Nobody arrests her. In a woman, no more na Mbaka Ejiho connection or Ejibo Nigeria. No more connection. Mbaka free. Ogwamaka Odimeje leave am. You see mature people. But go Ofonye put online. Ordinary that na Onya Okogbo Dibia. Kuroku that na Zion of Chinya 10 million. Come put abandon defend the Zion of Oju. A debe petition. The right petition. A day petition was both Kamuro Okogbo Dibia. Just no kuru. Just this Owo mention after he didn't mention anybody's name. Just Zion John. Onya Abono Zion. Chokoyem 10 million. Can they defend Zion? All the insult ni and the Ebukobi, all the followers of Ebukobi be na cause that problem. Let me they tell you, Ebukobi might be a good man. He may be a good person. But not that they Suhari and Azo, that feel they are defending him. He proper than Mbaka, a very mature man. If you insult him or Basaraya, the member will not come out and insult you. Odumeje, Okeke Njaka, no Odumeje ni here. Nobody come out and they defend Odumeje. That is mature people. Nka be poor, but say, hey, they go arrest you. Legal team is coming, and they call yourself a child of God. Legal team is coming. Onye kpọrọ nwe a child of God. Echikpokwa asị gị ijele wari. Naya again. Naya.
Mbaka is nothing but a deceived. Mbaka is nothing but a manipulator. Mbaka is nothing but a jealous person. Mbaka is nothing but somebody who does not want other people to grow but him. Mbaka is one of those people. No other is a water. Imanam Mbaka about 4
Make I go back.
The chat is here.
No, again what? They have said the truth. If it happened that Nibonye, Ebo.
About 4 Dibia.
No, again what? Mbaka and the followers of Mbaka, how will you feel? How will you feel? Go against Zogu. How will you feel? So it is not left for those people. Obuna Arapia corner. Obugodina. The bell Ogechi Njaka tomorrow. JPAC have proven that he is a man after all the bragging. Even if Orechi bu Monday, Ogechi Njaka puta. Ogechi Njaka puta go to today. JPAC, you a man. Governor Zoku, you a man. Governor Zoku, you a man. JPAC, you a man. Even if now Ogechi Njaka, they bail her today or tomorrow. You guys don't try. Because of this, after all they brag, he will come back. He will come back to Nigeria. What if you don't forget Nanya? No, yeah. Hillary is not forget Bogene. Don't come. No, he will come back to Nigeria. Nothing will happen. No, don't forget now. Nanya. Oh, but I go. None of you go there. And I say, ride on. You know, if you want to insult somebody, you insult people that you know you are bigger than. Or put on the kage. Get here again and listen to this video before I play another one. I'm going to play this video. Make sure they share this video. They share them. Open on one leg. How will you feel? Anybody put on social media today now, who anything about Ebukobi now, I thought I in a prison. On his good there. If anybody come to social media now, talk anyhow now about Ebukobi, oh prison go and tell me, asap. And I see no wine, you make no wine, KJ meet him dead. No, this one KJ meet him dead. Oh, into vigilante KJ may arrest. Imagine. Open no vigilante KJ may arrest. Which means so getting again with a level. Onye nke asị m gozie Kevin, this is not counted upon son. So mgbe Ogechi Njaka na-ata my brother baby na ya n'iyi. You guys did not tell her to stop. Again block one here. This is my page. If you talk anyhow here, I'll block you. You shift. Here my page. When they build the page and I no follow me build the page. Us now if I ban to where we are you? Mbos Nebukobi if I ban to where we are you? Na baby okune made this one. My a whole baby okanji. Udemba, somebody would use make mouth in their body state. Now tarnish the image. Where were you? When Ogechi Njaka was busy insulting a whole baby that have changed a lot of people's life. Where were you? And I said, ride on, carry here. Ride on, carry here. Ride on, carry here. Now Sigina, Apoko Kutuarakinoba, nearly more than 50 people. Don't worry, I go play on the whole video. She go collect from me. She go, oh. I was not going to Ogechi Njaka, you go collect. I go to play a video. All this, I go play a video to January, February ending. Every day I go to come like they talk about you. Hear him. You go hear from me soon. Be here now, Conco, no wine. Mbona ko ri makanja imaro no wine. Inas no wine. No wine. Genti agani yoku makapodambaka ona go Ogechi Njaka semia opu onwebere opule video opu onwebere opule my voice note onwebere opule my voice note onwebere opule my voice note. You can hear from me working a bebe. Maybe we'll do this one. Genti again, listen.
Imanam Mbaka Poro about 4 Dibia Sogo to come out and testify. The chat is here. The information is here, the recording is here. And when another woman
Beke best, Beke, I may post in Akwakuku very soon. I will post Akwakuku.
This oil, they had to communicate with this woman. The woman she conscience I have any day they have given me the approval, I will blow the trumpet on this social media. Mbagapu 4 DBS, or the 5, if I'm not mistaken, I will get it correct. Now, I'm going to testify, and you will see them coming out very soon. But I just some updates ahead of everything that is going on. So, because if you come across my video, try and share the video. I believe by Thursday, I bring the chamber. Mbaka is nothing but a deceived. Mbaka is nothing but a manipulator. Mbaka is nothing but a jealous person. Mbaka is nothing but somebody who does not want other people to grow but him. Mbaka is one of those people. No other is a water.
Okay, that joke apart. She's in the mother's nana and a Kwebukobi this and a Mobukobi this. So only person who could go to such thing, you drew on a Kuna or Gene Udele. But apart from other bloggers, nobody have ever made porno now who such thing against a Bukobi. But the legal team, they threaten us with the bloggers. Obuna Fadambaka is your brother. What will you do? Will you be happy? We'll move to another one. Nanya. Mo plan again.
If what's come to us,
You don't see Amabi? Make a plan again. Okay, there, baby. She go collect from me.
If what's come to us,
Campulo again. Ambia. 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 Mena they calm down. They come. I go the plan. Nko kurma akwa kutuara kinoba. Me play kuyana. Mena calm down.
Very, very.
I come, they come. I am coming.
J-Pack, you also told me that a bullion hat on that time, not fake.
Oh my!
Napo.
They come. Oh yeah.
J-Pack, you also told me that a bullion hat on that time, not fake.
Oh my!
Napo just did that thing to promote himself. Now, these things are not aligned. Now, how to even minus and plus. No people now know ya the honor. Here as a billionaire. Now they go away all the time. No matter don't know go. Power. No matter don't know go. No just each other chance here. That chance here. Now here we go. When that's now even bank manager. Akoko. No they go away often because Akoko got to go. Yes, you go there. No matter left and right. When people I'm like that. And when people I'm like that, that's okay and a wabo. Now, infant, na toddler stage a go kite. When me prono bamia. Neighbor and I gauge age do my age at 1. No, we had the guy inside Anambra State, and inside here the guy every remote villages. No one channel Fushi channel, no one Kokoha. Now she gadgetary had these children. KG Bo Okite.
Imagine. No Mazian if now Kokona Scarlet Mazi. Imagine you hear them. You hear them. Openable Munya Boko to Arakanobama Munie. How will you feel? I go play the whole video. Calm down, man. Keep baby up, man. Keep see man. Man, can you find your back? Oh, I have everything here. Evidence, you choke. Relax. So I go to play. I no get handwork now. This is my shop. She go collect from me. I go play the whole video. Bam. Open up about how will you feel? And that's not whining. On whining. Those are put on those are only defending put under the comment section asking how can wine on wine can Jepak in Neko Governor Neko. Open no give up with those people, how will you feel? If now you be those people, how will you feel, Oga? They are saying the truth. Mother Putana Koiri in our support that right down. Carisia. One in Ramu. Who move?
Something the more special. They carry go for a long time. Nagel Chani is special now, the no one on Pado. Nagel can pay a lot. That's what I did like that. Nagi with 10 paggy. They did go. I should get to fiap and I gave me. Naga gave me. And when big when I'm with a cocoa, they do wine. They renew when I'm not a cho virgin or cho. Oh my God! Nana, no, not cho virgin or cho. And when big when I'm like that, that's it. Whenever you see a cocoa travel, no virgin can with three. And when big when I'm on Bang, look at Dubai. When big when I'm that, no wine. Cage welcome more a cocoa na Dubai. And when we were this lady, boss lady. And when we were the lady, now you can start now when you try channel Tisha call your ex. And when we were the lady na force so called login. Sorry, the lady na force second lawyer and I get you. My lady na actually is na no game me payment delay that Joma give me the Diego. Na Dubai and I got delay the rapia shake. Now we have a propaganda that time national and always you Jesus. But lady and a this weekend. Nagin I just kiss the charge, but no need this weekend. And every time, and I promise you, I did a bright ticket and Yabaranta. And when we call more these things, now the legacy reason now not going to that you're not ready to marry somebody more. J-Park. They were ready to go more. Bam. Now, poor coco. Boom one you but in our cocoa were different type of girls. Nayoje abako over no one dinner with wine. Ya dinner with wine, ye the things she from their private parts. Name a security and in no memory in my age pota be Bama Jaya, no Jabia. Name a go she video. And when you did Guaramo, now Coco Hotel, they were some particular rooms. Yo Jeba Heme sacrifice. No, Labatrana that hotel. Now Coco must use tissue when you living at the hotel to collect destiny and renew Oguya.
And I'm in danger.
Okay, now imagine. How will you feel? Let me play that part again. Imagine. Some people are still saying, right down, mama. Imagine. Imagine. You know, say my boy, son, and please, open up about do you know how much it takes someone to build a hotel? You know you take it to build a hotel. How can you use a tissue? Tissue be used, it's in a toilet. They will flush it. Listen again. Okay.
The things she from their private parts.
Name
a security and in no memory in my age pota. Be Bama Jaya. No Jabia.
No against
name a go ship video.
No against
now Coco Hotel they were some particular rooms. Yo Jeba Heme sacrifice. No Labatrana that hotel. Now Coco must use tissue Onya who releasing at the hotel to collect destiny and renew Oguya.
And I'm in danger right now. And I'm in danger right now.
And when we got all these things that now the reason why I call Coco Jeze because him almost all his secrets. And when we got that I call Coco Yademaka Oguyorwala Yashi Gajiteria Mother life she may sacrifice. Now those boys in Rujuru and call Coco no homage and a jite to renew no homage and a garaga jite to renew vows in our name. Did you hear something? If up that God and some of you are saying cho, go there, they go pick you. Or them is it good? Is it good? Or the woman and that's Igbo. But go to somebody put on social media say, oh, na conco area. All the things, all the bloggers na ko. When you go to such thing, eh? Eh? Or when you go Sunday Mercury, how you doing? Happy Sunday. Thank you for yesterday, my dear. Thank you for the money sent to me yesterday. God bless you. Happy New Year. Happy Sunday. Thank you. Eh? Listen again. You know, I say my bonny son. No again. Some particular rooms. Your Jeba may sacrifice. No, la patron at that hotel. Now, Coco must use tissue. Onya who releasing at the hotel to collect destiny and renew Oguya.
And I'm in danger right now. And I'm in danger right now.
No hemere akoko mbolo dika here ogada adipaka renew. And when we got all these things that now the reason why akoko Jeze because him almost all his secrets. And when we got that akoko yademaka Oguyorwala Yashi Gajiteria Mother life she may sacrifice. And those boys in Rujuru and call imagine no homage and a jite to renew no homage and a garaga jite to renew vows in our name. Imagine. And when we were that here has no kidnap or a cocoa that time no fake. Hey. That everything we are arranging. Hey. That's even disobedient way. Hey. That's it. JCN and not your way. Hey. All those things now arrange. That here we have Coco just say up because now on the rain is Yadamea say tear up with all of them. Yasha Nahamedi called kidnapper.
Jesus.
And when neighbor me to Tanini now, no arrange dia. Now the Dana plan and buy Potraneti, no Pakash because only ya because they hore. Now buy put on social media neti. Hey, I no gonna papucha, a body what to do, capital and social media. And when neighbor am these things like this. And when a neighbor that I walk one of his wife actually, but I get a good okay. Okay. Now they see Amabi. Make a play another one. Open no go back. How will you feel that they come?
Hello.
Make a check. Relax. How they come? Come load the video. Boom boom. And Neya, and I say right on Neya. I plan to come back to Nigeria this December, but I'm receiving a lot of threats. So my life worth more than all these threats and all this harassment. So now I have decided to cancel my tickets. I am no longer coming. So that I will continue. You guys send your interpol. So please, if you come across this video, I would like you to share it.
Ogechi Njaka. Hey, Chineke nna. Eji nwanyị egwe nwanyị atọ ugo. Ogechi go to again, you not do anything, no. That mean I don't hear like you will not do anything. You don't forget that I'm here. Ogechi came back to Nigeria, back to back. What do you hear?
Okay, I don't see my the only
Njaka, hi.
thank you to share it.
Okeke Njaka, hi. Nwanyị bụ amụ karịsịa. Hey, Chineke nna. Eji nwanyị egwe nwanyị atọ ugo. Ogechi go to again, you not do anything, no. That mean I don't hear like you will not do anything. You don't forget that I'm here. Ogechi came back to Nigeria, back to back. What do you hear?
Okay, I don't see
How about I go Nigeria now? No run a cell. Nobody go there. How about I go Nigeria? No run a cell. Nobody go there to see her. Cambia. Campuloso.
Like one okay.
For Mbaka warned how.
They use the nan in America or wherever.
For Mbaka warned her.
Can I say Mbaka Jabata did put away a mama gonna bathroom. Back and they did. On did the map from the crusade, or open as well won't wear. Oh, my minister.
Cambia.
Sorry that I have to bring this down. If I know not booking hate chicken now, if I know call me anywhere, I go prove am I lying? Am I lying? If I know idiot. They I should have been funny. I went and got a ball like who you to the name. You see what she said? The day you put me online, put what's his name? At least I was sitting on that call, and the two persons I don't want to mention their names. I said, okay, he contacted. I said, I'm I say, oh, to the name. He give to the ball. Is it not why you said don't contact your family? But before you told us to start calling any other person. People did not understand that idiot. When you get to a man, the worst thing has to like this shit. Everywhere, even in Abuja. Because some people say, I never man. Before, do you want to marry? Is it not how you are busy collecting? You are initiating. I'm going to mention everyone. Is it not because people are going to and I see like when I saw people that were people thought it was a lie. I knew it was truth. But you meant to back up all the other time because this time I overheard in Ghana and I did. Did you know what I said? Okay, allow me are you a human being? Because you know who values, I don't know where all these values when it comes to.
Can't chop what's up. Don't worry before I begin to chop. On network na rush. Mami name network. You know green load my videos. Oh yeah, we move. Let's go check this. Are they come? Make a play baby own. See man own. You hear? Are they come? No network. You can book the here nini. They come. Can book here. Calm down. I go to bring them one after the other. No, you know concern me. When I'm near, she go collect. When they come, I am coming. And they coming. And they come, and they come. And they come on, network no gree make it load.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on what the call Sima made yesterday. This year,
And they come. they come, or they come. The network no green make I.
Now, listen to what J-Pack told me. J-Pack told me many people now better.
Come here. I am coming. Relax, relax.
Good morning, afternoon, good evening, depending on the angle you're watching it from. Please share this video for 2 days now because in the matter of my mind, problem started to, you know.
No, they come. When I come down, they bring. Now go, don't worry. When you come, come. Yeah. Network. They come, the network. Make I bring a baby home. I'm back.
Now, baby, uncle, listen.
Genti, you come back, baby.
And call names. And also,
Now,
baby, uncle, listen. I'm about to list and call names.
baby,
And also, call the numbers of your workers. J-Pack, you have ridiculed their destiny.
Okay.
That they have worked for you for years, but you refuse to make them to become responsible.
Okay. Okay.
Now, we'll start to call names. And also, people, I will give you their numbers so you can reach out to them and call them to confirm if the story that I'm telling, whether it's true or lie. The first person is Mr. White. His number is 090-816-37785. The second person is Mr. Okeke. His number is 706-500-7709. Then the third person, his name is, I think, Osas or Osa. His number is 090-391-95700. Then the fourth person is Ike. His number is 080-626-63167.
come on here first. What do you want?
That your wife is 74. Now, J-Pack gave me all this information that now all these men have worked for you for the rest of their life. You keep promising them heaven and earth. You promise them that you will change their life. You promise them that you will do all manner of things for them. But at the end of the run, you use them and you dump them. That nobody either promising that your wife is the person that's controlling you.
Imagine.
Because your wife goes to church called Watch a Man. I don't know whether there's a church like that. And he said that in your wife, around the vicinity is only when you travel, number in a peak, and the majority of the women that they complain that that you do not satisfy them. Never one time, somewhere, had a particular place. And after all said and done, the particular lady I put in her room, if it's not just the money that you give, that you won't mad one, you're not a womanizer. But once in a blue moon, when you travel, the lady walked out and say, now why your gaga not gonna satisfy in a bed? This what that here happening. That you are not a womanizer, but now but to use the money to help your fellow man. Now all you do is to promising. No way God do I got him but the better person. Not he and your people. But all these workers, yeah, the information on her, they went kitchen or call.
You didn't hear them, Abi?
That is what you do, that you use.
You didn't hear them? Some of us about the song. Open and dear neighbor, your father, your uncle. Is it good? Jepak told you. After my day now, before Ogechi Njaka come back to Nigeria, she's prepared. Do you know you have Igbo? She's coming back to Nigeria prepared on there through back door. No picture for airport. Ogechi Njaka na bata Nigeria don't prepared. Or be lodge in a local hotel. Because they cannot local hotel or lodge. Come so that nobody go know her. And she came prepared. Be lodge in a local hotel and put 15,000. Be through back door. No picture, no video for airport. Now some of them they put us for problem. Write down. And write in ourselves. You go run enter another page. Some of them they put us for problem. Kami gana asibiko abari and odro mabiko. Inoriba na konko eri. You understand? Inoriba na konko eri. Write down. She came prepared. Good
morning.
Nanya.
Good afternoon, good evening. Good afternoon, good evening.
Neke Seaman Global here.
Good evening. Seaman Global. Good morning. Good afternoon, good evening. Depending on the time you will see this video. I saw the video you made with J Park, despite that I did not finish watching the video because I was at my duty at that period. I did not have time to finish the video. Seaman Global, J Park denied that he was not the one that brought up my mother or my father on social media.
No problem.
Anyway, I heard that you said that I should stop mentioning your name. With all due respect,
Come on.
I'll answer your number this time. Your number, J Park, Max, J Park. Yeah?
Come here. Now they come. I am coming. No mind them. Cambia. Let me come look for it. So anybody now support Ogechi? Open Ogechi Njaka happens to be. Open now if your happens to be your father. How will you feel? Go working Kewezoku. Tell yourself nothing but the truth. Or them is he good? Is he good? No. And that's no Makano one. She came prepared. Now they push us. They push us. Write down. They will grab us and put somewhere. Ogechi Njaka came prepared. She came prepared. And since yesterday now, open all the prepared. If she came prepared. But I know it's supposed by the peak here. Call from above will land and rap here. So even if the bell Ogechi Njaka, yes, it's a bailable offense. Defamation of character is a bailable offense. Yes. But even if they release Ogechi Njaka tomorrow, J Park don't try. He is a man. J Park Bodogu. He don't try well. Even if she come out, good. But at least for them to arrest Ogechi Njaka, from Anambra to Abuja, J Park don't try well. Do it easy. After them and they all this what if you come back and I know me and one you can't one. Okay, this year one you ramu. You know they easy. You know, they're not going to go because on our support your church member. She's supporting your daddy Gio, your pastor. If you cannot see the truth, you call yourself a child of God. Now go here where now go collect. I'm trying the video play. Tissue. We can find them now. This one, this one. But they come. On network, network no good. Network na phone no good. I'm sure you're bonje. Boom. And they come. Don't worry. Cambia.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Make her find and play very well. She go collect. Don't mind them. She go collect. All the insult on your random mother. You know, see J-Pack this. Oh, wine, oh, macano wine. KJ Miona. Oh, macano wine, KJ Miona. Tissue. Oh, macano wine, KJ Miona. Oh, macano wine.
Now, poor Coco just did that thing he made to promote himself. Na ihe niile ahụ emere mgbe ahụ na ọwa amanse. Na mmapụkwa these things a na-eme na line. Na poor Coco amaghị how to even minus and plus. No people na arụ ya dị ọrụ. Ihe na-aza billionaire. Na a na-egwu ya wayo all the time. Na ọmahụ dị ọnụ ọgụ. Na ọmahụ dị ọnụ ọgụ. Na ọjọọ sị ịchọrọ chance ya. That chance ya na ha Igbo na when we went that now, even bank manager, Okeke, no one you often because Okeke to Diego, Yasha you gone and no left and right. And when we were like that, and when we were like that, that's Okita and a wago. No, Keza infant, na toddler stage a bokite. And when we be pronobamia. Neighbor and I gauge don't manage a one. No, we had the guy inside. Anambra State and inside here the guy every remote villages. No one channel fushi channel no wa Okeke na she gajitere had these children KG bo Okite. And when we were on Okeke and when Okeke chọrọ ịgwara go Okite ya she nige wete something the most special na carry we go for a long time na get le channel here this special na oge no kwa no onye no one mpagi na get like mpagi a lot ya she get like na gi wete mpage ke jiri bo na shige tufi akuna ya game na ga game ya enwere mgbe igbo na mudata Okeke na-eju ụmụ nwanyị eri ni onwe ya na na achọ virgin achọ na cho virgin cho. And when we I'm like that whenever you see a poko travel, no virgin can with three. And when we I'm look at Dubai. When we that no one kejiri welcome mo akoko na Dubai. Ni ha pa na akpo na nwa. Na aka. And when we na this lady ana akpo boss lady. When we na get na the lady now even serve now when you have try channel teacher call your ex. And when people no bam na no na the lady na force call no again. So the lady na force call no and get na the lady na actually give na no game me payment delay that Juma give me the ego. Na Dubai na ira gara delay the rap ya shege. Na we ha na propaganda that time national no way joke. Na delay the na ekpegi zuike. Na get na choose ki share the charge but no na ekpegi zuike. Every time and I promise na dey abara ticket na dey abara enter. When we call more distance, now the lady as it is now not going to that you're not ready to marry somebody more. J Park. And when it did or more, one now go coco, the Jew boom one you will issue. But now go coco, different type of girls. Nayoje abako ogwe, no one dinner with wine. Dinner with wine, the things she from their private parts. Name a security and no mere in Bahaji Pota be Bama Jaya, no Jabia. Name a Koshi Bido. And when did you Guaramo? Na a coco on the name here, a man she Dibiana, when this Mpalana, Dimpala, Okwa Bariana.
Okay. Make a plan another one, my dear. You got to know. Okay. Cambia. Oh, on our way they say leave wine. Neya here, she come back, go hide for hotel. Neya. Neya, Nime hotel. She go run hide inside toilet. Neya, inside toilet. Inside toilet, oh, inside toilet, near. Ne go that man, see bag. Oh yes, US na bata. Neya. See bag on it to on. And I say ride on. Carry say why you more am. Up go yesterday now I go to double 2 night. Neya. Even if she come out today, J Park, you a man. Governor Zoku, you a man. Even if she come out today, J Park, you be man. Governor Zoku, you a man. You know they easy. With all the brag where you guys, where them brag, nobody go touch them. Oga Batana, you know where you get me here. Nay, ya here. At least, yes, my brother, Ephraim, ought to know with a lot of evidences. This is the right time to present the evidence. This is the right time to present her evidence. Ought to know with evidence, not canko. Now, okay, we put those evidence. Fear Facebook. After seeing this, then go push you. Facebook people go push you, and agony. And Facebook go push you. They go deal with you. I make it like this. Make it. Take bomb again half. That is Facebook for you.
First, the party. I'm only you again. I'm only being calm because of people that called me.
Cambia. Ana wage sena gini me. Facebook go do you, push you. Push you. You no go agree. I say no nwanyị. Mgbe ọ na-ata ndị mmadụ gwogwo. Ị mara na nwanyị. Mgbe ọ na-epushi ọ na-akọ eri. Ị mara na nwanyị. Akọ rubbish. Ọkọrọ onye ọsọ onye a. Don't worry, make I think. We move. Yeah.
Imanam Baga Koro about 4 Dibias Ugo to come out and testify. The chat is here.
You didn't hear them?
The information is here, the recording is here. And when another woman got cancer through prayer and this what they call it this oil, they had to communicate with this woman. The woman she conscience I have any day they have given me the approval, I will blow the trumpet on this social media.
And you go approval now. They don't give you approval. Ogechi Njaka. Bring your evidence. Bring your evidence now. They don't give you. Go ahead. For now, some of you know they not comment. Yeah. Because you are Catholic. Because you know they go Catholic church. Because you are not a Catholic member. Because you know I got adoration on Baka. That's why they sweet you. And now tarnish the image of a Reverend Father Mbaka. They sweet you. If anybody tarnish the image of your Geo, they go pick now. Omo kama this way po ebuko be afa na. All legal team ke jimuri ozbo. Pim. Imagine all this while. This Ogechi Njaka na konko ero na ko. Both Ezugo and many of them as your name is okay. Stop saying this nonsense. A good friend will advise you say it is okay. If somebody loved you, I can work and say yeah, it is okay. Okonka ore chopita one chopita. When it up all your in the morning, we make the live video 2 hours. In the afternoon or but again before in the evening or but again in the night or in the minute on life. Now none of them will advise us and them it is okay. This thing is getting out of hand. None of them will advise us and no, it's no good. No, my dear, no. This one in case no. Everybody made sure because she was busy defending their papa, their Geo. She was busy defending their men of God because of 2 naira nenya. I was in that shoe before where they give me 2 naira, 1 naira. I will not mankwezoku. I said no. She was busy defending people. Now konko eri. People in manner, their money long. Even you that go on to US, the money there in Africa here go on to US. In 10 years to come, he cannot make that money. He cannot even advise us. I know my sister, and I say ride on. And then Ginger come here and say no, this one is getting out of hand. Mommy, no, my sister, no. Come out from this. And I say ride on. Ezugo will only Ezugo global. Only at the conic. If only I don't know. Look only at only. Yeah, mama. Neya, Amurugoya. Nka biju, nka ishe the kishi bomb. On a buffer neko, and is your name mona. If find the blue, I say, Onaka, USA miss. And I say ride on. Nka na going and kai. None of them is talking now. No allow social media to push you. In fact, that is why anything saga, I will not be mentioning people's name. I will not defame anybody again. Mama, I have learned my lesson. Anything that will cause me problem, I know they do. I cannot. I will not just come out and put somebody picture. I begin to conquer eri. Now, where you see. On a year now.
24/7. Even today, if what come to us, Ebuka, I will read who can save Ebuka. I'm an office around Danimo to save Ebuka. But to
Imagine.
24/7. Even today, if what come to us, Ebuka, I will read who can save Ebuka. I'm an office around Danimo to save Ebuka. But to
They hear them. They hear them. They hear them. Open what drag is. Imagine. Mama, under the comment section of this video, people know hey, right on, mommy. You so much love our daddy. Imagine nonsense. A gutter language. A married woman in that matter. People by under the comment section, if you can't demand a hey, I say right on. Can you say now wine? One you were right. Imagine somebody's wife. She is in Abuja now, so go there and give her food.
24/7. Even today, if what come to us, Ebuka, I will read who can save Ebuka. I'm an office around Danimo to save Ebuka. But to
They hear them. They see him.
24/7. Even today, if what come to us, Ebuka, I will read who can save Ebuka. I'm an office around Danimo to save Ebuka. But to
Obuna Ezugo Global to nowhere level. Make him go there. Then go pick him. That's what they run. And it's in the more sense. It's in the more sense. It's in the more sense. Why they no go now? Menkesi Abata with there. When they go there, if you go, they go grab you. I think no vigilante KG may arrest. A worried vigilante may arrest or kind of one at their office. She supposed don't come out now because if vigilante arrest me, I will come out because ordinary vigilante or police. Here with DSS KG DSS order from above. Oh God, some of them don't even know what they happen. DSS KG warrior that's no vigilante. Order from above. Each and every one is on another rice without meat. You know more not rice, lady rice here without meat. You know more lady rice, you know more pick your ogechi. Make case you go global, go there and warrior only I do no. Only is go global do no. I am here a ship where you very well. That Iju one guy share the ishi bomb. Go near the going and kai. That head I cell get reduce the shape of the head. Ishi reduce the head. Ishi a shape of man. Make I show you the picture. They come. Make I come. Then go hear from me. Then go here, they go collect. That time we Okeke Njaka and nyem woto. Nobody they talk. And I come Abakaliki. Onyara, stupid boy. How can Abakaliki say me? Even Ndebo State, some of them sometimes they pity on. And na pare and Abakaliki guys say me. And if go here Zion no, if go here Bo State, in order na Zion, happen to na and they can Abakaliki say me. In order na equip because of anybody a member. And I pare na Abakaliki. He made you no because you know na church. Ha! Share no. Neya no nyenka neya. If kwani adi go no go negodu. Neya. If kwani adi. Uiju wa mouth look like an anus of a pig that has kwashoko. If they say I'm negodu kwani adi no one. Neiju wa no one. Iju wa mouth look like an anus of a pig that has kwashoko. If Okisi adi negodu ishi bomb. Ishite Ishede Onwa Ghana police station na no na give Okeke Njaka agu buy honorable sell reduce the sell reduce ish nda gboro no ni me sell eworo okpo kwasta ish shape the head very well. This guy na agije ona go na emona. This guy na agije ona go na emona ona go saka ona go no so in the vacancy ona na ishia ne fara na ne ya ne onya kan su muo ya The good on it. No near. Konya no near. Going on kaka. Young boy, only the going on kaka in a village. Now they hear me. Okay. See make we move. Una they hear me? If they hear me saying, they hear me, I beg no verse. Make I continue. Now they hear me. We move. Neya, Ifronia. Okay, Ifronia here. Neni Kishiade. Neni Irie. A young boy. Ato Kasimonya Aruo. This Iju was a small boy. This boy will be 27 years. Negodi Kodi. Person when they put mouth for waiting no concern I'm afraid. Every month they need 50,000 on they defend the rubbish. Neya. Every month they need you 50,000 on they defend the rubbish. If we're here, every month they need 50,000. They defend. Oh yeah, me ishia dadika onye na herija for my from ne corner at negod ne. Breeze ne ko na ko is ne ishi ijowa. Abo me ijowa. O nwere video nke ijowa metina ọ na-enye nude. Ịchọ ka enye gị nude ụmụ nwaanyị ka nchọ da video play gị na. Careful. No yenka neya on the bomb on the TV. Ne claim no we watch. Neya ne ono nka neya ne go on on ipu. If ronia ke gboro nwe ezogo we dey brag we no get shishi. Neya here. Mbe lit my voice note. Oh this okoko. This ajuamu. This boy this Ikumbe, I wanna say arrest. Arrest upon your son. This Itibori bona say me upon your son arrest. Neya. Very war. Neya, Neria. Nenonia, Nuonia, Nukoni order. Nu. Amam kusa me one on. Negodia. I wanna say arrest upon your son. All but alive or not send the money. They shall arrest upon your son. Deformation of character. Voice note that I did not play. Which I can even deny no AI be a area. I'm not the Neya here. Neya. If I hear Nick on the other. Don't worry, make I show you Joa. Maybe Joanna send them mother now. I go hunger and year Sebu. Ijoa. Ijoa. Yeah. Ijoa, can't show ya. The boss no G here no. You move. And they come make a show now something. Oh, you on online, be you go to beg money. Oh, Ijoa no to beg money up and down. Ijoa ne ezukwa nude, icho nude ụmụ nwaanyị ọ na-erekwu ya.
Ụmụ nwaanyị ga-anọ ntị.
Say can show you. Say can bịa. Ka m chọọ n'ebe ọ na-ere nude.
Ọ bụrụ na ị na-ese tattoo n'ahụ.
Negodishi. A boy of 22 years, negodi called it. A boy of 22 years, ne called it. Negod noon. Don't worry. And they come. Cambia. Cambia. Ngosi nebo na-ere nudu. Iji wa na-ere nudu ụmụ nwanyị. Adekom. Cambia. Network the fuck up. They come pipe low.
I don't like polygamy. I don't like polygamy. I don't like polygamy family. I don't like polygamy. I think most of them are going to be now. I should come on the one I'm going to just.
Don't worry. I'm sure video about the nude. Nude them one. Kebe video nya no. Kebe this mumu video mumu ano. Kebe this mumu video de. Oh. Adekom o. Nna chebo na-ere nudu ụmụ nwanyị. Ọ na-asị need nudu ụmụ nwanyị. Akwa ndị na-defend Zion. Ka ebe video anụ iju ụwa na-ere nudu ụmụ nwanyị. Oh. Oh. This boy. Come mba na anwụ na. Oh. Iju ụwa ka mfuni ya nụnụ ka na ya n'iyi ebe ọ na-ere nudu ụmụ nwanyị inidie nudu ịkpọ ya sendere ego sendere gị deten onye na-edifend na chọọchị na-ere nudu ụmụ nwanyị. Enwekwa m video ya before amara m ebe ndị ose this video. Oh shit. Don't worry. Can't you want your joy? Where? Ooh. Oh God. God. Nka.
Achọrọ m ka ngosi ihe eji ama ọnọdụ ndị achọghị. Ka ngosi ejiri mara ndị a na-anụchi ma na-agwa ka ya na-adọbe na ndị a mara. E nwere ihe a na-akpọ shiri.
Oh. Oh, well, this no more they come man. Njuma choya na chitazo. Make I calm down, find the video. Ebe on ere nude ụmụ nwanyị. You need a nude chat ya this guy or ponye ya. Oh. From that video now. I'm not seeing him.
I want the video done, go.
Video, don't ever post my picture again. Don't mention.
I was son on that, but you. Then you can assume happen to church and do Kabundo with the past. Then you can assume happen to church and do Kabundo with the pastor. Yeah, one of. I don't say anybody will not.
Oh.
I can normally affect it. Johnny and one. Your age max.
Negodonia.
Only 2 years. We are talking.
Negodonia.
Just 2 years. He gets why. Are we from that? If you know how much I am.
Ono kai. I'm video now, Cho. Come on, I will come back. Let me look for that video. Let me package my evidence very well.